welcome to my channel. So today I show you how I prepare for my new semester. Little disclaimer at the beginning, like last semester, this following semester will be online again, but fingers crossed I can show you during the summertime my campus. If not, we're a little bit longer stuck in my room, but hope you like it. So let's dive right into the video and let's start preparing for the new semester. First, I always clean my desktop and all the folders. For doing this, I recommend having a thumb drive specifically dedicated to your classes and your lectures, where you can save all your documents, assignments, everything. A thumb drive will save you a lot of time later in the semester when you are trying to search for your notes or assignment. It's much easier to find. And second, if anything gets lost, you still got a copy of all your stuff. You also can use Google Drive. I personally like to use a thumb drive. If anything happened or I forget the password, at least I got second copy. Next step, I create folders for my upcoming classes. So next semester I will take 3 classes. For this I will create a new folder called Summer Semester 2021, and inside I create 3 folders for the 3 classes I will take. After I created a new folder, I import all my class schedules into my digital calendar. I also use the normal physical calendar to keep me organized and on top of all my work during law school, but for my digital calendar I use my Apple Calendar. My university actually has a feature to let students import all class schedules. If this is not the case for you, you can create the events yourself and organize. I also like to go through and mark down any exam days, quizzes or homework assignments. For law school in Germany we actually don't have quizzes or homework assignments, but I just let you know. So if you have any quizzes or homework assignments, just remember to mark them down in the beginning of the semester so you won't miss anything. Next, I order new law books. As a law student, we always need new law books, but here's some tips. Don't make the mistake of buying all of the law books and textbooks ahead of time, which cost hundreds of euros, dollars, or any currency. Wait until you buy any textbooks because your professor may show you a resource you can use to get them for free. For example, we have like an online platform where we can search for something and there are even textbooks for free. So yes, wait before you actually purchase any textbooks which cost a lot of money. Sometimes you don't even need them to pass a class, so wait a little bit before you buy. Stop is stationery. Yeah, it's also a perfect time to get all your essential study supplies like pens, notebooks, markers or post-its, but don't buy too many things. After I got all my supplies, I prepare my law school materials. I know we all have our own organization system for classes, but I like to prepare my binders and include some loose papers inside and stamp them with little names so I know which subject this binder is made for. After my binders, I prepare a box for my flashcards. So if you're following me a little bit longer, you know I always study with flashcards. So in the beginning of a semester, I always prepare my box with all the classes I'm taking. So it's a whole box is for one semester. So I know I can take my box with me with my flashcards and I'm ready to go. It's actually a personal tip. So after I prepared everything, I personally like to set up a study schedule. So planning before your classes start will allow you to schedule your study around your life rather than the other way around. Creating a study schedule and planning out your weeks during the semester can actually prevent you falling behind on uni work and gives you more free time. Planning ahead actually gives you a little bit more safety and you know actually what will happen. And I know the start of a new semester can be exciting, but it can also be very a little bit more calmly. And if you have any tips for starting the new semester right off, let us know. Stressful and especially when there's so much to do. So hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, I would love if you like, subscribe, and we see each other next time. Bye!